A big gobo.
We have to go to the hardware store to get hardware. We have arrived. You do
We'll have to have a big plywood sheet, so we might want to buy some small nails.
for the plywood. Oh yeah, like that. I think that's it'll be fine. Or these nails.
Yeah, it's a very interesting thing.
I'm gonna strip it. Does it look bad?
No. Oh, that's good. Oh, Sully.
Can you help me?
How did you get this thing? This is a good saw, man. Look at that. Beautiful.
Oh, that's good. Come on. I mean, it's basically not even wood.
So this is what we got. Sully's, all Sully's invention. How much did you spend on all this, Sully? That's not bad. And what are you planning to do with it?
I'm gonna like move them around to where my room sounds really nice for recording. And it went straight to her foot.
Oh my gosh.
Like
This hardware store run part 2.
will it stand up?
I think. We'll find out.
I'll keep the receipt.
Yeah, keep the receipt. I think I might be going into
A nail. Prop. There's no way. You know what it might mean?
Wait, just let go of it.
You know what?
It's standing.
You know what it might mean?
Explain the problem that we found.
Rollers aren't working.
It doesn't stay up. You would think we would have saw that coming, but yeah. So we're just gonna take the wheels off and then make it some type of prop, but not today. Bye, Sully.